In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect your PS5 controller to your Android smartphone. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to pair your PS5 controller with your Android smartphone, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. From your smartphone, scroll down and find Bluetooth in the settings menu. Long press on the Bluetooth icon to access the Bluetooth settings. Now, let's pair the PS5 controller. Hold down the Share button and the PlayStation button simultaneously on your controller. The controller's light bar will start flashing. On your phone, you'll see DualSense wireless controller in the available devices. Select the controller. It will begin the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, the light on your controller will turn to a solid blue. Now, your PS5 controller is successfully paired with your Android smartphone. You can use it to play games or navigate your phone. If this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more useful content. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.